Have you ever wondered what your car is truly capable of? You'd be surprised at how many useful features are hidden in plain sight, features that most drivers never notice, much less use. As someone who's worked closely with vehicle engineering and design, I've spent years studying how modern cars are built, not just on the outside, but deep within the systems and structures most people take for granted. Car manufacturers often include clever tools and comfort features right from the factory, tiny design choices that make a big difference in your daily driving experience. The funny thing is, they're rarely mentioned in the manual, and even experienced drivers often overlook them. Today, I'm going to guide you through 10 of these built-in car features. Some are about convenience, some are designed with safety in mind, and others just make life on the road a little easier. And trust me, once you know about them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Let's get started. 1. Hidden gas tank indicator arrow. Let's start with something so simple, yet so useful, that once you learn it, you'll use it forever. Have you ever pulled up to a gas station and had to lean out or check the side mirror just to figure out which side your fuel tank is on? There's actually no need to guess. If you look closely at your dashboard's fuel gauge, you'll likely see a tiny arrow next to the little gas pump icon. That arrow quietly points to the side of your car where the gas cap is located. It's incredibly helpful if you're driving a rental, a new car, or even just forgetful. It's such a small thing, but it can save you from an awkward parking job or circling back around the pumps. A perfect example of thoughtful engineering. 2. Unlock button window, roll down. On a hot summer day, there's nothing worse than stepping into a parked car that feels like a furnace. But there's a built-in trick to help with that. In many modern vehicles, holding down the unlock button on your key fob for a few seconds will trigger all the windows to roll down at once, letting the heat escape before you even get inside. It's an excellent way to quickly cool the cabin without opening doors or starting the engine. Some models even let you control this function from a smartphone app. This feature often goes unnoticed because it isn't always mentioned in manuals, and different brands have different activation methods. But once you know it's there, it becomes an everyday essential. Just don't accidentally use it on a rainy day. 3. Sunglasses, holder above the mirror. There's a small compartment above the rearview mirror in many cars that most people never open or even notice. But it's not just a piece of trim, it's actually a dedicated sunglasses holder. With a soft lining inside, it's designed to protect your lenses from scratches while keeping your glasses within easy reach. Instead of leaving your sunglasses bouncing around in the glove box or sliding across the dashboard, this is where they're meant to go. It's a small detail that shows how much thought went into even the tiniest aspects of your car's design. 4. Auto hold brake function. If your car has a button labeled Auto Hold, you might be sitting on one of the most convenient features for city driving and traffic jams. When activated, Auto Hold keeps your vehicle in place even after you take your foot off the brake. That means at stoplights or in slow-moving traffic, you don't need to keep your foot on the pedal the entire time. On hills, it keeps your car from rolling backward when you're switching from brake to gas. It's designed to reduce driver fatigue and make stop-and-go driving far less annoying. Many people confuse it with the parking brake, but it's a separate feature, and one that's truly a game changer once you start using it regularly. 5. Emergency trunk release inside the trunk. This one is about safety. Inside the trunk of most modern cars, there's a handle, often glow in the dark, mounted near the trunk latch. Its purpose? To let someone trapped inside the trunk open it from the inside. It might seem unnecessary, but it's a mandatory feature in many countries. Whether it's a child playing hide and seek or an emergency situation you never thought you'd face, this release can literally be life-saving. If you've never looked for it, take a moment and check. It's worth knowing exactly where it is and how it works. 6. Speed adaptive volume control. Have you ever noticed that your car stereo seems to get louder as you speed up? That's not just your ears adjusting to road noise. Many vehicles come equipped with a feature called speed-sensitive volume. It automatically adjusts the audio based on your driving speed, compensating for wind, engine, and tire noise. As your speed increases, the music volume goes up. As you slow down, it fades back down. It's a subtle but incredibly effective way to maintain audio clarity without constant manual adjustment. You can often toggle this feature on or off in your audio settings. 7. Hidden storage bins. Your car likely has more storage than you realize. Hidden compartments can often be found under the floor mats, inside the trunk lining, behind rear seat backs, or under removable plastic covers. These spaces are perfect for storing tools, jumper cables, a first aid kit, or even snacks and essentials for long road trips. SUVs and family sedans are particularly good at integrating storage without sacrificing space. Some bins even come with Velcro straps, dividers, or waterproof linings. It's a great way to keep your vehicle organized while keeping valuables out of plain sight. 8. Adjustable cup holder grips. Spilled coffee is no one's friend. Thankfully, many cars are designed with adjustable cup holders, complete with soft rubber grips or retractable arms that flex to accommodate different sizes of cups, mugs, and bottles. You may need to twist or press the sidewalls of the holder to adjust them, depending on the design. These grips aren't just decorative, they're engineered to prevent tipping and wobbling, especially when turning or braking. Most people never realize they're adjustable, but once you do, it's a small upgrade to your daily comfort that makes a big difference. 9. Manual and auto-dimming rearview mirror. There's a small tab or lever at the bottom of your rearview mirror that serves a very specific purpose. When you flip it, the mirror angles slightly to reduce the glare from headlights behind you. It's a manual night mode that's been around for decades. In modern cars, this function may be automatic. Those mirrors use sensors and electrochromic glass to detect bright lights and dim themselves. But if your car uses the manual version, don't forget it's there. Using it can make night driving much easier on your eyes and less distracting overall. 10. Using the panic button to locate your car. While the panic button on your key fob is designed for emergencies, it also has another clever use: finding your car in a massive parking lot. When you press it briefly, your car's lights flash and horn beeps, guiding you right to it. If you've ever felt overwhelmed searching for your vehicle among rows of similar-looking cars, this quick trick can save time and frustration. Just be sure to use it responsibly. No one enjoys listening to an alarm blare unnecessarily. A quick tap is all it takes to make your car stand out. Cars today are filled with intelligent design choices, tools that enhance safety, comfort, and convenience without drawing attention to themselves. It's easy to overlook them because they're not flashy or advertised, but these features were built by engineers who anticipated real-world driving needs. Let me know how many of these you already knew, or if you've discovered any other hidden features in your car that more people should know about. These little secrets often make the biggest difference in our daily driving experience. Thanks for being here, and drive safe, because the more you understand your car, the better it can take care of you.